And it's time once again to unlearn your garbage. I'm Rick Merla with Positive Progress Counseling Associates, Cape Coral, Florida. And this is our podcast, our self-help podcast that will help you, hopefully, increase awareness of yourself and others. That way we can have better relationships. And our topic for this episode, one of the big ones, anxiety. And once we get into this state, you know this, once you get into this state, it's hard to get out of. And it changes our perceptions on so many levels, doesn't it? The way that we feel, behave, react to others, it all becomes distorted once we get into this fear-based mindset. But let's take a little look at it. What goes into it? Well, you see at the top there, overthinking. That's the big one. Your thoughts, what you are telling yourself about a potential situation. It's all future based, obviously. We catastrophize, we get into a lot of different things. And once this kicks in, our fight or flight mechanism, our body kicks in as well. Let's take a look at how about headaches and maybe chronic pain. I suffered from this for many, many years, could never figure it out. And then once I got my anxiety down, my headaches actually subsided. But during my worst, I would have continuous headaches. It seemed like every day I couldn't even function. And of course, that just fed on the fear. Oh my God, I can't do work, blah, 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 blah. And it is a cycle. So keep this process, the cycle, in mind. And obviously, panic attacks being the worst, that's where you feel disconnected with your environment. And we also feel maybe things aren't real, but it's a lot of fear. We have palpitating hearts. This is where folks go to the ER because they feel that they are having a heart attack. But fortunately, there are plenty of effective techniques which can help get rid of this stuff for once and all. Believe it or not, I didn't believe it until I worked through it. Cognitive behavioral therapy, better known as CBT, one of the big ones. And I also use a lot of relaxation, visualization, deep breathing, anything to help you get grounded once again and feeling safe within yourself. Well, that's what I have for you today. Now go unlearn your garbage. I'm Rick Merlin.